Hey everyone, want to track conversions and optimize your TikTok ads? Here's how to create, install and set up the TikTok pixel step by step in just 2 minutes. So first of all, you have to go to TikTok Ads Manager, and after coming here, you have to just sign up or sign in onto your account, and after that you have to create a pixel, and you can install it manually with Google Tag Manager or using a partner platform like Shopify or WooCommerce. And after that, most common is manual installation. You have to choose manual install pixel code, then copy the JavaScript code provided, paste into the head section of your website HTML right before the closing. If you're using WordPress, paste it in your themes header or use a plugin like insert header and footer. And after that, you have to verify the pixel. So once the code is installed, go back to TikTok Ads Manager and hit next. Use the TikTok Pixel Helper Chrome extension to confirm it's firing correctly. You can just install it like TikTok Pixel Chrome extension, and you can just install it from here, like clicking on add to Chrome. And after that, you have to set up events, like choose which actions to track, like page views, add to cart or purchase, and set them up using either URL rules or event builder. And that's it. Your TikTok pixel is now ready to track and optimize ad performance. And that's it for this video. See you on the next one.